How you guys doing out there? This is J.O.A.T.D. Today I'm going to show you how to install your jack support mounts. I just bought 4 new ones because the ones that I have are mangled. Show you. As you can see how mangled it is. Eventually they either break or they fall out. If you go over to here, you can see that the one in the front is not even there anymore. And you want to make sure these are there, because when someone needs to jack the car up, if that's not there, they're going to damage the frame of the vehicle. Okay, so what you do is you take like a flathead screwdriver, or in my case a pry bar, and you just stick it up under the bottom of it. Let's see. There it is. All right, now as you see, it's 3 holes in there. What you're going to do is you're going to take the new one, line up the holes with these inserts. See, they have like little latches on the side of them. You're just going to put it in there, and put it in there, and it should just snap in. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's in there. I thought it didn't latch down. But what I would do is I would take like a little mallet and just to make sure it's all the way in. And as we can see, it's all the way in. And you're gonna do that for all 4. All right, short video. J.O.A.T.D. and I'm out.